Have y'all ever been on a flight and then once it landed, you grabbed your phone and you realized you never turned your phone on airplane mode?
Yeah.
That was me. So our flights this time are out of Anchorage. So Chris right now is getting the truck ready, filling up, cleaning the windows. And we are going to go on a drive down to Anchorage. So we are here in Anchorage. We just finished having lunch and now we are going shopping, doing a little retail therapy. First stop, Old Navy, and then Kohl's, Best Buy, Target. What'd you say?
Let me use the door for you.
Oh. Yeah. We're back in the car. Since we have a whole bunch of bugs on the windshield now, we are Chris is over there pre-washing the back of the truck. But we're going to get a car wash. It's currently 6:22. Our flight's not until 11:30 tonight. So we have a little time. We're probably gonna go get some dinner maybe. I don't know. And then head to the airport. You would think these parking places have never met people who don't want to leave their keys with them. Like, what? We're not a fan of valet. That's my valet. He's cute. The sounds of the jet engines. Smell that airport air. This is where my heart is. I'm so excited. It's currently like 8:53. Our plane doesn't board until 10:50, I believe. So we got here a little bit early, but we do have a lot of bags to check. And Chris just finished parking. There he is, coming up. Yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully I captured that, my first cinematic moment. So right now we're currently in Salt Lake City. Yeah, we flew from from Anchorage to Salt Lake City. And then from here we have about a 4.5 hour layover until our flight to Seattle. So we had to fly past Seattle in order to get to Seattle. But you know what? The travel industry right now is very crazy. So I'm not, you know, even surprised. And it was the cheapest option, so at the end of the day, as long as we get to Seattle, that is the goal. So it's currently 6:17 a.m. and yeah, like I said, we have about a 4.5 hour layover. The USO in this airport is not 24 hours, but it does open up at 8 in about 2 hours. So we might try to find some coffee in the meantime before heading up to the USO to spend a couple hours there, and then on to our flight to Seattle. The last time I was at this airport, I was literally running because I had a very, very short layover and my first flight was very delayed. So like these little runways right here, they're all down this entire gate. But I was that person sprinting on those because those definitely made me faster. quick, pretty simple. So we're headed to baggage claim now. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that big red subscribe button down below. Whenever you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell.
Bang.
So you don't miss any videos that I post. Stay tuned. We're going on a cruise. All right. See you guys later.
4 hours of sleep.
Yes.
This many.
See ya.